You know, to awaken is to look within. You have to look within your own heart, to trust your intuitions, and to be brave enough to live life on your terms. Hindi yung iniisip mo what will others' opinions or judgments sa'yo. Nakafocus ka lang sa life na gusto mo, yung life that lights you up, yung ikaw mismo, the authentic you. And if you learn this, that is the awakened life. The real you, living with freedom of all outside expectations and opinions. Simula nung ginawa ko yun, I found my purpose, my way, and I enjoyed life. Being awakened is a lonely life, but you will be connected deeply with